What are the symptoms? They might feel, or along with all the depressive symptoms that I have already told you, they might feel imminent risk to the child, to the baby, imminent risk to themselves. They might not be able to care for the baby during the immediate postpartum period. They feel intense crying, helplessness, hopelessness, and they might feel that there is a harm for the baby also. Sometimes even psychotic symptoms also appear during the postpartum period. The risk is more in the first 1 month. So what should you do? The best thing is to go for a screening in the early pregnancy period. I would say in the first month of pregnancy or first trimester of pregnancy, please get a screening done. What are the risk factors that we see in the screening which increases your risk for postpartum depression and postpartum bipolar disorder? Those are, if you have symptoms of depression and anxiety during the pregnancy, if you have a previous illness that is already diagnosed with bipolar disorder or any other major mental health disorder, especially major depressive disorder previously prior to your pregnancy, if you have stopped your medications that you are already using, and if there's a family history of mood disorder, especially anybody, first degree, second degree or third degree, if there's a family history of mood disorder, if there is concomitant substance use disorder, if there are any suicidal ideations or any previous suicidal attempts, we can think that there is an increased risk of mood episode in the imminent postpartum period. Right. So what to do? Suppose you are already on medications, and what should you do then? Please do not stop medications immediately. Please go back to your psychiatrist or meet any perinatal psychiatrist to discuss about what are the next steps that are involved.